So this program here, I already have my account set up, so you won't see the same things I see. But it says when it opens up, sign in with Google. So this should bring you to the program. Here it comes. And here's going to ask you to sign in with Google. I already have mine done, so I'm already logged in. So sign in with Google when it launches. Then I'd recommend bookmarking this program. I have mine, it's right here. How you bookmark that is if he's going to click this little padlock and hold, drag this thing down, put it anywhere you want. Okay, so let's click, drag, park it, bookmark it, use it quite a bit. Your screen, once you hit Google lock in, it should open up to a screen. I always go to the home. Home's going to be your home screen. Here we can create new drawings, open current drawings, and all that. The account, this is of course going to be your account. I'm signed in, I'm good to go. I have the free account. I want to do the paid one because I'm doing the free one. Trimble Connect, this is where your files are stored at. Trimble Connect. So let it load. It's going to hook up to the server. Here's the server. When you open up the server folder for your files, here they are all going to be. Okay, they're all here. And I just have mine, I don't have mine in the folder. Mine's just kind of scattered in the server. All my drawings are here. Here they are. So what we're going to do is we're going to work with this worksheet called Try It. And as it says to locate opensketchup.com, did that. We're ready. Complete the following tasks. It says find and use the line tool to draw 3 random single lines and 3 random connected lines. So I'm just going to go home. I'm going to go create new, and I want to do one called simple template feet and inches. And there it is. You may have an actor on your screen. This kind of gives you the reference of how tall like 5'5" is. As far as the screen goes, see in the ground, see the horizon. This red line is going to be like in math class or x-axis. The greens are y-axis. And the blue is our z-axis, vertical. So you can draw the x-axis, the y-axis, or the z-axis. I'm going to click on this person and push delete to get rid of it. Tools are all over here. If you kind of hover over them, it will give you the name, like the eraser tool. Here's a paint bucket tool, the line tool, arc tool. Some have little triangles, which means more choices hidden. So if I click and hold, I now have a paint bucket or a sample material button. Okay. If I push the paint bucket, what happened is the tool tray opened. I can of course go over here and hide the tool tray. I can click and hold a pencil tool, click and hold. I have a pencil tool for lines or freehand. So task 1 said find the line tool, draw 3 random single and 3 random hooked up lines. So I picked the line tool. If I click the mouse, move it, see the pencil kind of is drawing the line. I didn't click, or hold, sorry. Don't click and hold the line. I'm going to go to click, move, click. There's one line. But the line wants to draw more. I don't want that. Push escape. Escape kind of ends that command. And let's go click, move, click, and escape. Click, move, click, escape. There's 3 random lines. And now 3 random connected lines. So go click, move, click, move, click, move. There they are. Hit escape. 3 random lines, 3 connected lines. What's next? Rectangle tool. And draw 2 rectangles of random size. Okay? So move. Rectangle. There it is. I have options. I want to use the rectangle. I'm just going to click and move the mouse. So it's 2 rectangles random size. So there's one, and there's another. See how they kind of filled in full of color? What it means is that these 4 lines are all on the same plane. This being the x-axis, the y-axis. This is all maybe has a like a value of z of 0. Learn as we go. There it is. What's next? The polygon tool. This is kind of tricky. So it says the polygon tool, it's not out here anywhere. It's underneath the rectangle. Here we have rectangle. Here we have rounded or rotated rectangle, circle, polygon. Here it is. Got it. Hold on. I gotta fix the camera here real quick. Sorry. Let me get off that command. Can I scoot my camera down? There we go. I'm gonna see down here measurements. Okay. Back to polygon tool. And it said, I forgot, didn't I? 8 sides and 23 sides. 8 sides comes first. 8 sides is first. So I pick the polygon tool, and it's saying right now how many sides. Don't put the cursor down here and click. It knows what to do. Push the delete button. What happens? Watch. Nothing happened here. Nothing. Type the number 8 in. See it? It changed. It changed. Don't click here. Don't delete this. Type it once you want, and hit enter to commit to it. I now have a click draw 8 sides. If I want to do a new one, I click on it, type in 23, enter, and then that's what I got. 22 sides. There it is. All right. So build a whole list. Work way down the whole thing here too. So select the rectangle you drew this up to. Find the protractor rotate tool and spin it. How do you do that? So I gotta select this. How do you select? I use the arrow tool. I gotta click and drag a window around it. See how it turned blue? Now it's selected. If I miss all of it, does it work? No. Hit part of it? No. No. Must be entirely in the box. Okay, if I grab too much, it's going to grab this plus that. See that? See, I just want to grab just one of them. Okay, the rotate tool, it's hidden. It's under here? No. Under here? Oops, cancel. No. Under here? There it is. Rotate tool. This is like a protractor. There's 3 mouse clicks. Uh-oh. My shape is no longer picked. Gotta go back. Pick my shape. Now rotate. There we go. So 3 clicks. Click 1 is place it on the object. Click the mouse. Then you're going to grab a corner of your shape. Second click. Spin to a new angle. Third click. Try that again. So I select my shape. Click drag. Unclick. Rotate tool. It's 3 clicks. Click to place. Click to grab. Turn. Click to set. So 3 clicks. Click, click, click. Orbit tool. That will show you that too. Push pull. That one will show you that too. Circle tool. Push some stuff in. Paint bucket. Okay. So I'll do a couple more and I'll stop. You can kind of explore the rest. But the orbit tool is this one. If you click and hold, you'll orbit your screen to see different camera angles. I can roll my mouse down to zoom out, up to zoom in. If you're on a trackpad, it's 2 fingers. Up is zoom out, down is zoom in. If I click and hold the trackpad and move, I can orbit. Same thing here too. The push-pull tool is this guy. It's going to want to have you kind of grab a shape, drag it. I can hover, grab a shape. Oops, sorry. Get out of there. Pick the shape first. Pick the shape. That's what it was. Pick the shape, push, pull, click, drag. I can pick another shape, push, pull, click, and drag. Okay? So explore those tools out. When you're all said and done, take a screenshot of this and submit it for grading.